Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can make your rainbow collage at home if you don't have any books or any magazines or any newspapers. What you can do is you can go to PowerPoint. Now, once you've got PowerPoint open, you want to be selecting design because you want to set your page to A4 so that it will print on your printer at home. So if you go over to the slide size button and then you click custom size, you can then go to the drop down menu, and from there you need to select A4 paper, and then you're going to click OK and maximize. Right, so now your screen is A4 size, so you should be able to now create your colours for your rainbow. So what I'm going to do is now go back to my home tab, and really simple, you're just going to use the shape button here. You're going to drag a big rectangle across your page, and the first colour in my rainbow, so I'm going to go to shape fill. The first colour in my rainbow is red, so I'm going to select red. It will give you a shape outline. Doesn't really matter too much, but you can turn that off. So if you select shape outline and no outline, that will just give you a nice red box. Okay, what I'm going to then do is try and do my second colour in my rainbow. So I'm going to right click on my first slide and I'm going to ask for it to insert a new slide. I'm going to delete these boxes because I don't need them. And then I'm going to go back to my shape tool, drag another big rectangle and create my second colour by going back to shape fill. So my second colour is yellow. Okay, again, I'm going to remove my shape outline because I don't really need that, and so forth. Once you've done that, you can quite simply print this off your printer, tear it up and create a collage that way. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you don't have magazines or newspapers or books, you can create your own colours on PowerPoint. Excellent.